How to get 16 boxes on TikTok Live. So if you want to get 16 boxes on TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you just need to simply go with your Play Store. Under your Play Store, go with search, and you need to search for TikTok and go with update if you have any updates under your TikTok. Once you've updated, you need to simply open up your TikTok application. Now, once you open up your TikTok, you just need to simply go with the bottom middle, which has that plus icon. And here you will have the live option. So you just need to simply go with live. In my case, I only have post right here, but you just need to simply go with live option. Once you go with live, you'll have an option of go live on the bottom of your screen. You just need to simply tap on go live. Once you go with your live, on the bottom left, you will have two options. One is guest and the other one is host. So you just need to simply go with the guest option. Once you go with guest, you'll have the settings option on the upper right. You can simply go with settings, and under settings you will have the grid layout. So you just need to simply go with layout, and you need to choose the grid layout, and you need to choose fixed grid. Once you choose fixed grid, then you will have 9 boxes or 16 boxes on your TikTok Live. So that's how you can get it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.